Emergency alerts now available in 5 languages. The Ministry of Interior and Safety announced Monday that emergency alerts sent through the Emergency Ready app will now be available in 5 different languages. According to the Interior Ministry, the application formally sent out its emergency alert through the app in English and Chinese only. However, starting Monday, the app will also begin to issue its alert in Japanese, Thai, and the Vietnamese. The Emergency Ready app is an application run by the Ministry of Interior and Safety, which provides multilingual support for 36 emergency services, including emergency alert, guide to safety, information on embassies, fire stations and police stations, as well as the location of civil defense shelters.